Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, I'm gonna share with you an amazing recipe for lose belly fat, get a flat stomach, and get a tiny waist and get rid of bloated stomach. Well, we have here cumin. Cumin is a popular spice used in cooking cuisine all over the world. Cumin may boost your metabolism, lower cholesterol level, and help decrease your blood sugar. Studies confirm that consuming ground cumin helps some people who are trying to lose weight. Cumin has the potential for helping you lose weight because of a unique active ingredient. Thymoquinone, a naturally occurring chemical that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Thymoquinone can target free radicals in your body, assisting your body in cleansing itself of toxins. Cumin helps your cells respond to insulin and glucose, which keeps your blood sugar stable. Over time, the effects of cumin can work together with a healthy diet and exercise to decrease fat deposits and reduce inflammation in your body. When everything works together, you may notice that any symptoms of bloating, swelling, and fatigue are decreased when you consume cumin. Well, let's get started. Firstly, boil 1 cup of water and add 1 teaspoon of cumin in it. Leave it for about 10 minutes. Strain the water and add a few drops of the lemon juice in it. And drink it twice a day, 1 cup in the morning and the second one in the evening. After your meals for 15 days, you will notice a difference from the first week. If you like this video and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.